Hi. Back to Pizza Factory Tycoon. I'm like, this pizza's still on the floor, bro. I don't really know what to do. Because honestly, this game is kind of boring. Like, especially at this stage, like nothing happens. You just like do boring stuff. So Heike, there'll probably only be a little bit of this, and then I'll go play something else. Maybe more Minesweeper, because it's all I ever do. I have a cold, which is kind of audible. Why can't I pick my pizza up? Which isn't great, but you know, it's been worse. And there's also no cheese on my pizza. This game is absolutely spectacularly coded, as you can tell. Right, you know what? I'm gonna play something else. Not doing this. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna torture myself on Tower Hell because I have a lot to say about Tower Hell. Oh my gosh, dude. My Roblox keeps doing that. I don't know what it is. I'm also really bad at this game, so just excuse that. What the hell is this? I don't... She got no trousers on? She has no... Right, sorry, the Hoover is going around, so you might be able to hear that. What the hell? I just get really scared on, like, stages like this, because, like... Genuinely, what? Okay, I'm on stage 2. I am one of the only people on stage 2. Oh, I didn't think it would move. No! I hate this game. I'm going on Pro Tower. Oh no! Everyone in this game has like 700 wins. I have 0. It's not very pro-y. Yeah, this is kind of easy. Okay, I hate this game even more than I hate the other one. 36 Robux. I'm gonna change my avatar up actually. You guys can watch this. Nah. Wait, that's kind of slick. I think I'll go with this one. No. Yeah, that's cute. That one, and then I can put on... Yeah, no. What is this? Is that my 20 friends patch? What? That's crazy. Yeah, you know what? Let's do this. Wait, no, I don't like this game. I thought it was one of those, like, funny ones where you, like, put sand everywhere, but it's not. Oh, I think I will play this game. I suck at this game. Stop! Stop! Play. Okay, I know this is kind of like indecisive. I know it's been kind of indecisive, but like generally I don't know what to do. So, where's the lift? I found the lift. Regretevator. Oh. Oh, he's got a cat. Oh, so these are the NPCs. Oh, I'm in. You're really dialed in to learn about me, aren't you? Oh, that's a robot? Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Is this a... I don't know what... They're so cute and silly. What is this? Ah! Don't get caught doing what? Oh, wow. Oh. Oh my gosh. This is not cute and silly. What is this? Oh, oh no. Oh, I'm scared. No. I sure hope I don't. The ground's falling. Oh, hell no. Oh my gosh. Hey, wait. That's the Doki Doki Literature Club. That's new, what the heck? I hate that thing. What the hell is that? That's so scary. Oh, and the ground's falling. Huh? Wait a minute. No, okay. Yay. No, thank you, peasant. Oh, who are you? Oh, I love her. Dolly is scary. Not really. Not really. I don't know. Oh, so who do you have? You got this lovely little... Oh, they're cute too. Who is it? Ew! Oh my gosh, it's 3008. Who's Lampert? Who am I looking for? Oh, I don't know what the hell that is either, but I don't like it. Stay the hell away from me. I want a cat. That person had a cat. I love this game. Wait, what pillar am I on? What pillar am I on? D6. Oh, give me that. I want coins. Okay, that would make this C6? D7. Okay, so I'm walking along D right now, which means if I go down here, this should be C. I actually don't know where C should be, but it'll be somewhere. 15 seconds and no one's found this strange lamp fella. Ice cream. I should be walking along C? Oh, what? Oh, hell no! Oh, it's quite rude of you, big thing. I'll have you know I'm perfectly respectful size of a princess. Oh. What? Spooky. Spooky. Spooky face. It's not really definitive. Oh, I can't. What are we doing? I like this one. Oh, I need to get pizza. I've played this game like a couple of times before. Not a lot, but quite a few. got 200 coins. What is this? Don't see anything. I think I've delivered a couple, like, I don't know, a few. I'm trying to deliver to these houses because I feel like that's quite. Oh, he's taking my pizza. He's taking my pizza. Okay, so a lot of them are in the trees, which I don't actually know how to get onto. Oh, hop onto the car, bro. Boom. Right, you have a track. Stop it. Why is this person got like a trail of pizzas? Oh, you can have my pizza. Here we go. Oh, so I'm like locked in. Also, I'm screaming a bit more in this video, which means I'll be able to use my new people. Cause I made some new personas. Well, she's not new. She's got new faces. What? I think I've read that wrong. It sounds wrong in general. I don't even think I read that wrong. It just looks wrong. Pizza. No, I was having fun. Oh, where's the banana guy gone? Where do we? Oh. What is this? I can't move. Oh, what is this? Who's that? Does he get to go in the lift? I feel like I'm like posed up. Let's see if they're willing to get on. Oh no! It hurts! Where am I meant to go? Oh no! This one here. Pose up, pose up. Can I go back in the lift now? What is that? Why do we have so many like random things in here, bro? I'm also probably gonna have to dip soon because I can't do 20 minutes because I tried to post one of me playing Pizza Factory Tycoon on another day, but it was like more than 20 minutes. So wait, 12. What's this? Oh, I want to do this. I used to like really like games like this. Oh, do you guys remember the normal elevator? That was peak. Can I do it again? No, I want to do it again. That person in front of me looks like one of those like silly fidget snake things, like the rainbow ones. No, I can't move in midair. Right, I'm gonna dip. Bye.